So what's the best thing to do in quarantine but to play with your cats? So I guess I'm gonna call this Cassie's cat toy review. I have 3 toys and 4 cats. So let's see how they like them. I just kind of picked the first 3 toys that I thought looked nice. 2 of them happen to be electronic, and our cats usually do pretty okay with electronics, but we'll see how they take to them. Sometimes they kind of make them a little nervous or they're less interested in them, but we'll see. The first toy we're gonna play with is InterPaul P03. It just says it's a smart electronic cat toy. It says it increases your cat's activity and fun, has a sensor chip to avoid obstacles, but I guess maybe not cats. So this can go over carpet and other obstacles, and that has colorful LED lights and carnival time, whatever that means. So I don't know if it comes with batteries or if I have to charge it. Hopefully I don't have to charge it. Okay, you guys gotta wait. I gotta put it together. Towel? No. Okay, I'm hoping we don't have to charge it. We might have to charge it. Crap. If we have to charge it, we'll play with the other ones first. Is there a picture that tells me how to put it together? Hey, no. Okay. It says, wait, does it tell me to put it together first? Okay, so these are the options. You can put this topper on, this one, which is a little ball, which obviously he's much less interested in. He likes the feathers more. And I don't know what these are for. It has a picture, but it only shows these 2 toppers. It doesn't really show what these are for. So I don't know. Maybe you just clip them on. Maybe you clip them on top. It doesn't really come with much instructions, so I guess you just gotta figure it out. But so it is threaded on either side, so I guess you just thread it in. Oh, now they're all interested. Okay, and it just says, I'm gonna put these other ones back in the box, or else they will run off with them. I'm gonna have to get you to look at it. It's a good sign, right? Baby! Okay, so it needs to be charged. So, well, we'll move on to the next toy, and hopefully by then... Nope! It will be charged enough to let them play with it. But it is nice because it comes with a like a micro USB charger, so I guess no batteries. So I was worried that it didn't come with batteries, but now I'm just upset because I have to charge it. Okay, the next one is Pet Lynx Roaming Runner. It says that it has, what is it? It has bristles that vibrate so the toy cruises. It says this toy helps to promote activity and help improve your cat's physical well-being. And it's this little like mousy toy. I'm assuming this is something that would not work on carpet, probably only on hardwood floors. So let's see. Okay, so yeah, you just turn it on and it works. I'm gonna cut this tag off though, because I know that they'll eat the tag. They'll probably eat the tail too if I don't cut it off later. But we'll see first, I guess, if they like it even. Get all the trash out of the way. And we'll test to see if it actually works on the carpet. I'm pretty sure that it won't work on the carpet. Yeah, doesn't move at all. Of course, they seem kind of scared of it. Okay. Oh no, it's so much slower than I thought it was gonna be. It's so slow. Oh no, it's like a caterpillar. I mean, I guess that works, but it's not as exciting as I hoped it was gonna be. Oh, he doesn't like it. play. No? Okay, I guess he gets like a 1 out of 4 cats. I mean, I didn't expect much. This was like a $6 toy. And so I guess it's okay, you know, if they don't really have much else to do. It's just going into your stomach. So this is called the Catit. And it's kind of, there's not really much more to its name. So it's supposed to be like a cat self-scratching post. Oh my god, cats. They're going crazy. Hey, calm down. Calm down. So it doesn't, like, it's just the box, this thing, some catnip, and this. And there's not really any instructions to it. I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory when you buy it online, but I don't know, I guess I thought some more stuff would come with it. But you're supposed to put this on top. I don't know if it's supposed to really lock into place. Doesn't seem like it really fits all the way, but yeah. Oh, okay. And then the cats are supposed to be able to like chew this. Like it's like a safety chew for them. And then they're supposed to like rub their head on this, and all this other stuff. But the catnip's to like help them try it out. Of course, they're all super distracted right now. Muchie really likes catnip. Kimchi, are you too young for catnip? Oh no. Oh, Kimchi. Okay, I'm gonna start rubbing. Oh, Kimchi, no. He's running off with it.
I was just trying to eat it.
Yeah, Top's just trying to eat it. Okay, hold on. Come on this side, Top. There's more on this side. Okay, here. Mochi's the only one that's kind of trying to use it right. There you go, Mochi. It's all you. We've never really given Kimchi catnip before. God. Well, it's working. I'm gonna rub their face on it at least. That's what they're supposed to do. They're supposed to like rub everything on it. Mama. Oh. Cats, no. Mochi. You gonna bite it? This part is supposed to clean their teeth, but none of them seem interested. Kimchi just wants to get underneath it. Up. You gonna ruin it? God, Kimchi. He's just throwing himself into it. This is Kimchi's first nip experience. Hey, look, Taub's no, she's just licking on the inside. No, she's just getting the catnip out. So Kimchi's digging a hole, and Taub is just trying to eat all the catnip out of this. And Tuna doesn't care. I don't know if this really gets like any cats out of cats because they really only like the catnip part of it. I don't really think they care about this aspect of it. I mean, Kenchi's having fun, so I mean, I don't know. Maybe also 1 out of 4, but really kind of like a false 1 out of 4 because it's really just drug induced. Which, yeah, like these two, that's all they care about. They don't give a crap about this. They just want this. That's really all they want.
I'm gonna let her have it do the best.
It's close. So, it wasn't much. It was like $20. But really, you could probably just buy catnip and have a better, I don't know, experience. Maybe it's a learning thing though. I kind of tried to like rub them on it, and Mochi's kind of doing it, but yeah, maybe it's something you just have to leave out and let them kind of try it themselves before they really start like rubbing on it themselves. But I don't know. It's a happy introduction, I guess, but maybe it'll work out later. You're such a dick. I don't know about the other toy. I don't know if it's in charge. Okay, so everyone's back interested again. We're gonna try the P03 again. Hopefully it works this time. Everyone's sleepy now though. Empty. Tuna wants it. Are you ready, Tuna? Hold on. Oh gosh. Okay, nope. Wait. Does it stop? Keep going. Oh. Said this was to avoid obstacles. Oh god. It's going. I just smacked him. It's an aggressive toy. Startles him. Let's smack him in the face. Okay, so for the little mouse toy, probably the least favorite because I didn't really care for it much. I thought it was gonna move around a lot more, but for like $4, I guess it's okay. It is what it is, but you could probably buy packs of mice toys and they'll like it better than this. So like what? 1 out of 4 cats, half out of 4 cats, I really would say.
Munchie out of 4 cats.
Munchie, yeah, Munchie. Although Munchie liked it the most. And then for the Catit's like scratching post, I think it's okay. I think it'll grow on them. I don't think it's something that they'll just really like now. Mochi was kind of rubbing her face on it, and she was kind of getting the hang of it, but I think it's something that they'll have to live around and play with it to really use it. And then this, it's a good toy. I don't think it's the best toy, but it's okay. So yeah, I would give this maybe I'll also give it like a 1 out of 4 cats. I'd give this 2 out of 4 cats only because they do like it, but I don't like it so much because I feel like I'm just gonna have to like take it out of random places more often than not, and it's just gonna like go wherever it wants to go and mess up things. So it's okay, but the cats do like it. I think they really like the toys on the inside more than anything else, and this is probably gonna break at some point. But I guess for all 3 toys, I mean, less than $50 for all 3, and I think they're okay, but they're not the best toys. But okay, that's it for my cat toy review. If you like this video, please subscribe and like this video and tell me if you'd like to see more. Obviously, I like getting my cats toys, and they have a lot of them. So I'm more than happy to do reviews, but I don't know if people want to see reviews. So let me know in the comments down below. Bye!